Taurus, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're safe. Let's do your reading for the month of May 2020. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter signs. Well, if you don't know your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, Venus, and Jupiter, you can check out Cosmic Insights. There's a website and app also. There are other websites too, but I prefer Cosmic Insights because it's very accurate and it's based on Vedic. And for you, Leo, this time the reading is for May 2020, but also it will extend till the month of June 15th. So until the mid 15th, it will resonate, the reading what I'm doing. So you can watch the reading till June 15th, it will still resonate to you. Okay. Interesting. First card, you got Major Arcana, which is a very deep card actually. You got Death. So Death is also, it's a very black card. In the sense, it's very dark. When I see this card right now, I'm actually realizing that solar eclipse will be happening this year in the month of December. Okay. And it's gonna be dramatic, it's gonna be devastating and dangerous. So especially in our situation, what we are facing right now, it will be very dramatic. And if you don't take any precautions, and especially in the month of December, especially during the solar eclipse period, if people don't take any precautions, it will be very devastating. And also many planets will be retrograding this year. Many conjunctions will be happening, especially next year Jupiter and Saturn will be conjuncting, so it's going to be very dramatic. First card is Death, so I want to share that. It's very dark. Also Death involves conjunction of planets also. Even Rahu is represented by Death card. It kind of relates to solar eclipse. Now first card is strongest, keep that in mind. New beginnings are going to start. You're going to keep an end regarding something in your life, and you're going to start something new in the month of May and mid-June. Something in your life is definitely ending. You're keeping an end to it. You're deciding to keep an end to it, and something new is going to start with regards to your life. Especially this is not regarding finances and stuff. This is regarding your growth of life, growth as a human being, because you're shedding that old being of yours. Yeah, you're definitely heading into a new direction, because you can see this is a road and you're focused on to going in a certain path in your life. You're deciding, okay, what's next in my life, what to do next in my life, because this is end, I want to start something new, and you're planning way to go ahead. That is Two of Wands. You're walking alone, you're not listening to anyone right now. You're creating your new journey, you're creating your new path in life. You're not taking advices from anyone, because this is your fresh start, and you want to start it something that resonates to you, and you're the one who is bold enough to take the decision, and you know that. And also remember, Taurus, the road what you're going right now, what you're choosing, it's colorful. That's the universe saying, whatever path you're going right now, you're walking alone, there is no one with you right now. You have to be bold enough and walk, because it's very colorful. The end, you don't know what is the end here. That is the beautiful thing. You don't know what is the destination. Okay. Death card is Scorpio, because Death is represented by Scorpio, and you got it as the first card. I feel like because of the Scorpion person, if there is a Scorpion person in your life, they might actually trigger this awakening happen, this transformation, in a good way or bad way. You had a kind of soul contract with them, saying, you make this transformation for me in this lifetime, so that I can move into a new direction right now. And remember, Taurus, you're not alone. Universe is definitely with you. Okay, it is guiding you. Yes, definitely it is guiding you. Look at this. Most of the times, I believe in my April readings also, some of the zodiac sign, one of the zodiac sign got these two cards next to each other, and these two cards definitely relates. It definitely resonates and it's connected, because you can see the road over here. It's definitely colorful, and even this, it's a road. It's stairs, but it is connecting to a new journey. It is definitely connecting to a new path here. Now you can definitely see that the universe is helping you. This is the road. You're creating a new road. You're definitely alone, but it's definitely colorful. And during this path, you're gonna realize that the starting will be very nice. The starting will be very fresh. There'll be no obstacles. But as along if you go to this path, in the middle of the journey, you can see there is blocks here. There's burdens. You'll find obstacles, but you have to never give up, because the universe is helping you. You can see the crescent moon over here. That is the universe guiding you, that this is the place you have to go. This is your destiny in life. And during this path, definitely in the middle of this path, you're gonna find obstacles. And remember that you're not alone, Taurus. New beginnings is always hard. It might seem like very happy and colorful in the beginning, but definitely in the middle you're gonna experience these burdens and blocks. But remember, the destination is definitely colorful. This is your destiny. You have decided, even before reincarnating into this lifetime in this world, you have decided that this is your destiny, and you're heading in that path right now. And this Scorpion person, as I said, you made a soul contract with that person to guide you. That was a major flyer. It definitely wanted to come out, Taurus. Ace of Wands. You can check the meaning of this card. Ace is nothing but, ace is 1, right? Ace is numbered 1. So Ace of Wands is something which is starting. Ace is starting, and Wands is passion. So Ace of Wands is starting a new passion in your life. You're gonna feel the passion as you go along with this path. And even though you have these obstacles in between, you have to have the passion to move forward. And only this passion inside you, which is inside you, can help you to never give up and go forward, even crossing across these burdens which you have. You have to have faith. And you have to have the passion in order to drive yourself into this destiny. Ace of Wands is definitely a fire energy, but definitely I won't take the cards which had fallen down very very harshly, so I won't take those cards. Definitely few cards have dropped. I saw the Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is balance, so you're out of balance. Okay, you can see in this Nine of Wands, the stairs are definitely, there are more stairs to climb, more steps to take, and there are pain and burdens definitely. Okay, I can feel you, but don't get imbalanced. Try yourself as much as hard you can to be balanced in life. There'll be situations where you cannot control. You have to balance out. You have to not rage out. You have to not take things very seriously. Don't take anything seriously in life, and you have to have the ability to balance things out. At the same time, you have to have the passion to move forward. This is a very difficult thing as a human being to experience and move forward. That is why you got the Death card. You have to shed the old being of yours, and you have to transform yourself into a new being, and only then you can make things happen. This is a very difficult journey also, but the end is colorful. So keep that in mind and move forward. This is your wow, this is definitely your destiny, Taurus. Whatever you're doing right now, it is definitely your destiny. You have to never give up. If you give up right now, again you have to get into another lifetime, and you have to continue the same thing, because you have not fulfilled your karma. Because you got Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is the Thor hammer. You have the power of the lightning, you have the power of the fire. What else do you need? The universe gives you everything you want. If you're feeling stuck in anything, just ask help of the spirits, guides, and angels. They're there to help you. And Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords is very dramatic energy. Two cards coming next to each other is you can see the synchronicity here. Actually, you can see this kind of relates. This is a road and this is a road. It came next to each other. Cards won't pop out just like that, remember. This is happening because of the transformation you have got. And you can see Ace and Ace, so you definitely know what is going on right now. And this is not just in the month of May and mid June. It's gonna last forever is what I'm saying, because destiny is something that you have to experience and aim for achieving in your life. You got Mother of Wands. Interesting. Your mother is definitely taking care of you. You might be having a sibling as well, is what I'm saying. You're not connecting with the sibling energy much, but your mother is taking care of you and your sibling if you have. So she's she has a lot of experience in life, and she's definitely taking care of you since your childhood. Your mom definitely took care of you very, very much, and she even wants to take care of you even after you're grown up. She wants you to be fine, is what I'm saying. And you can definitely see this came exactly below this, and death is definitely transformation as a shedding. You can just recall back, you can recall back what I said. I said you have to shed the skin, shed the being what you have. And a snake, what it does is it has the ability to shed skin. It is it has the ability to shed skin, and definitely it kind of relates what I just told. And that was definitely a psychic message what I got in the beginning. You're definitely shedding your skin, your old skin, and your old being of yours, as I said, and you're transforming. And that is a great signal here. That is why tarot cards is actually very beautiful. We definitely don't know, there is some mystery behind this, but it definitely gives us the answers what we need. So you got Seven of Swords. I'm kind of feeling little drained right now, especially in the 7th card. This took a lot of energy for me. I mean, for this card to come out, it took a lot of my energy to come out. So I feel like this is what I'm getting right now. You are feeling sad about something. You're not able to express it to anyone. You're feeling the pain that someone has caused you. It is not your own pain, and you're feeling that way because this is scared, and it has a sword with it. It is thinking that it has caused itself the pain. So you might feel like you are the one who has caused yourself the pain, but it is not you. This is not the reality. This is the reality. It is someone that has made you cause the pain. And even though your mom is there for you to guide you and protect you, you're actually scared to even express to your mom about this. You're not willing to share it to anyone. You're just keeping by yourself. But always remember, Taurus, life is always dynamic. As you can see, it is diagonal. These lines are diagonal, so you can see it is not it is not static. Okay, nothing is static. Everything is dynamic, and you have to just go along with it. Yeah, you got 3 of cups, which means friends. You're gonna make new friends also. Universe provides you new friends in this time, at this time, which you definitely need. Take time to celebrate also. Take time to have a break. Okay, even though this is your destiny, you have to move forward, but at the same time you have to take care of your health. Be in a good vibration, celebrate with friends, talk to friends. Don't be lonely like this, and don't be alone or lonely. And there is a difference between being alone and lonely also. Alone is like it is your decision to be alone, whereas lonely is like you feeling lonely and not having anyone to talk to, which you feel to talk, which you want to express, but you don't have them. Don't get into a depression state is what I'm saying. Celebrate with friends, make good friends, make good contacts, okay? Because always if you make good contacts won't break up, and it is everlasting. You will feel the connection. Okay, if you feel comfortable talking to someone, and if you feel like you can share anything with them, they are the right person for you to make connection with. You got Mother of Pentacles again, you got mother energy, you got Wands and Pentacles. I definitely feel like your mom is taking care of you with regards to finances and as a person in your life. Your mom is definitely taking care of you. You can see this. Mother of Wands, the snake is taking care of these eggs. And you can see Mother of Pentacles, this animal is taking care of the small one over here. The caring nature is definitely there. Okay. For most of the Taurus, I feel like there is something significant in your life which happened, which you feel like you have betrayed yourself, you have made a mistake in your life, but that is not the case. Okay. It is actually, I told you this pain is not because of you, it is not you. And I told you it is because of someone else. I don't mean that they did wrong to you. Okay. And at the same time, you don't deserve that. But remember that you have chosen this. You have chosen few events which has to happen in your life with certain people, so that it will trigger you into a new direction. And all these things you have made a soul contract saying, in this lifetime, let this person trigger these events, like make these things happen, have these events take place, so that this person can definitely guide me. And remember, Taurus, the person who has made you transform, you before reincarnating into this lifetime, you have trusted this person so much. You definitely had a past life connection with this person. You have trusted them so much, so that you had a soul contract with them, saying, you do this to me, you cause this pain, it's fine. Because your soul knows that person, that I'll tell you what's going on. Actually, it's a very deep thing. When you make a soul contract, the soul definitely makes a contract with someone which it feels so much bound to, so that even though you experience pain in this lifetime, your soul definitely knows that they are not wrong, they didn't make a mistake, because your soul knows them so much, and it definitely knows that the bond is strong and they don't mean to hurt you. It is just for the transformation purpose. I want to take time to explain more also. Yeah, Hermit. I definitely knew this card would come out. It's a very spiritual card, Hermit. Hermit is a person who carries the lantern himself and goes along the mountain, and he seeks enlightenment. He goes alone during the midnight. He's an old man who takes you'll get a lamp, right? Hermit is the person he's an old man, he takes the lantern, and he climbs the mountain and he seeks the enlightenment. He looks at the stars, he looks at the universe, and he finds the answers through spirituality. that is Hermit card. So beautiful card to come out. I'm very happy for this card to come out, especially. This is a very deep reading, guys. And bottom of the deck you have 10 of Pentacles. I'm very happy. 10 of Pentacles is home, family also. So maybe this journey what you're going right now, it is the betterment of your family and your finances. You making money so that your family can be secure in the long run and years to come, and in the next generation also. That is 10 of Pentacles. You can see it's a cycle. It forms a cycle. The Pentacles is coins, and 10 is the highest numbered pentacle, and this forms a cycle. So the next generation, your family members, definitely they will look at you what you're doing right now, and they will appreciate you, because now they are financially secure because of you, the further generations. And that's the karma you have decided to have in this lifetime, to experience this. So this is a beautiful journey, Taurus. Okay. One thing I can see is that you are feeling scared a little bit, because you're just not able to digest the past things which has happened. But once you realize this transformation which you have, which they caused you, this deep, painful and dark transformation, it's because of your financial situation, which in the future it can be secure. Advice is just follow, just never give up, and if you need any help, your mom is there to take care, remember that. And 9 of Wands, you can see the universe is definitely guiding you. This moon, the moon energy is definitely guiding you to cross these burdens and seek the enlightenment. Be in this hermit mode. Okay, never give up. It's like many people this is a human tendency. Once they go into a hermit mode, once they find few answers, they'll be like, okay, this is too much for me right now, let me work on this, and they just stop learning. But you have to never stop learning. You have to grow spiritually every single day and seek enlightenment, and only this will have a balance in your life. And you can see 10 of Pentacles is the bottom of the deck, so you will be financially secure, is what I'm saying. Okay, so Taurus, this is all I have for you. If you want to watch the reading again, you can feel free to do that anytime. And if you want a personal reading, you can check out my website, it's down below. And if you find this video useful or informative, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified. Don't miss any of my videos. I'll be making a lot more videos for you guys, and you can stay updated. You can subscribe to the channel, and definitely from my side, I'm going to guide you through your difficult path. That's the reason I've created this channel, to guide people and heal people who are facing difficulties in their life, and who wants to seek answers from the higher source. And one thing I want to share is my channel is definitely growing very rapidly. We are almost reaching 700 subscribers now, so thank you guys for all the support. And I'll be definitely making a lot more videos. Series will release soon, uncovering the deepest secrets of the universe. That series, definitely it has I have designed the series in such a way that it definitely makes an impact to the society and guide the people in the right way through the ultimate source. Okay, so this is all I have for you, Taurus. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.